Hola, family. Okay, I know it's been a minute. I'm not gonna keep you, okay? So I have a client in like 20 minutes or less, maybe. But here's my apartment, a little bit, okay? Um, Update really quick. I'm about to move to a new apartment temporarily because I couldn't find one that was like the one yet. And so I was like, it's okay to do a short stint. It's okay for plans to change. This is how I self-soothe. It's okay. It's okay. So yeah. So I have there's construction going on in the building now. Yeah, it was quite a journey. I saw maybe 10 houses in person, like 10 apartments that I looked at, like, you know, and I like the area that I'm in currently, so I'm trying to stay in this area, but I looked outside of this area, just like, you know, if something checks off most of the boxes, we will do it. But they were not checking off most of the boxes, and the prices were not like, it wasn't giving for long term, right? So, no. And short term, it's easier to just do Airbnb. So that's what I'm doing, Airbnb. What else do you need to know? I had a little season where I was frequenting the beach more, but in this most recent season, not so much. Ooh, I will do a photo dump of just all the things that have happened between, what was it, like mid to late January till now, which it's been over 2 months. And I am still walking on sunshine. Whoa, oh. And don't it feel good? Yeah, it does. So I think that's it. You know what? If you have questions, preguntas, you can ask me. And then maybe I will do a video in which I answer 1 or 2 people, because that's probably who's gonna ask questions. Yeah, I think that's enough. Wow.